Yes.
Okay, so we will start with the introduction. Okay. So my name is Tanmay. Okay, so I am teaching. I will teach you all the Java, whatever concept we have to learn. We will learn from today. Okay, so I am working in search. So don't call me sir and all. Okay, call me Tanmay only. That is enough for me. And we are learning many topics. I will share you the screen, and feel free to ask anything. Okay, if you have any doubt in the any topic I will teaching, so stop me and ask me any question if you have. Okay, after that I will give you the assignment every day. So in assignment also you have any doubt, so please ping me. Piyush is there or Pawan is there, any we are three are there. So ask anyone. We are not, if you're not online on all, so call us, we are available that time also. Okay, so these are my screen is visible now.
Yes, bro. Yes, bro.
Okay.
Yes. You.
Okay, so these are all the topics. Okay, these are the all the topics we will learn inside the Java. We have to learn these topics inside the Java. After this Java, we have to learn the AEM, right? You have to learn the AEM. So these topics will help you in a AEM also. Okay, so this type, that is the data types, variables, operators, control statement. What is it? What is mean by that? Methods in Java, arrays, multiple concepts we have. That is the, if you take the OOPS concept, that is the classes object, inheritance, method overloading, method overriding, that will be in the polymorphism, abstraction, encapsulation, and the interface. From classes to this interface, these all are the OOPS concept. These are all are the OOPS concept. These will all the topics till the servlet we will learn. Okay, these are only the means these are only the, it's easy topic. Don't give attention. Don't means if you have any doubt and all, you will ask me. Means we will learn in very easy way, not worry about that. Okay, so anyone knows what is meant by Java and all? What is Java? Anyone knows? Hello, speak up guys. No worries if it is wrong also, no worries.
Java is object-oriented programming language. It is used to develop web applications, desktop applications, embedded systems.
Yes, nice. Okay, this is means firstly Java is a programming language. You know what is meant by programming language? Why we will use programming language? Anyone knows? There are multiple languages are there. This is the programming language, right? Yeah, anyone? What is programming language? Why we are using? Anyone knows? Hello.
For developing the software.
Yes. Okay. So programming language. What we will. So if you write any code or any instructions, okay. If you means if you write the program also, we will write many instruction on that, and we are giving the instruction to the computer, right? That is meant by the programming. So why we are using the programming? If we talk means if we have many language also, that is the Hindi, some Telugu, Tamil, many language we have, right? If I talk in Hindi with the computer, if I write any instruction in say if I talk with the computer in the Hindi language, so it will be understand. Can computer understand Hindi language?
No.
Right? Computer cannot understand our language, right? That is the Hindi, Marathi, English. It will not understand. So computer only understand the machine language. What it will? It will understand only machine language. That is the binary 0 1 0 1. It will
Okay.
understand, right? So what it will do? So inside the programming language, what it we will do? We will give the computer some instruction that it will be compile and means compile, and it will means translate, okay, interpret that language, and it will means tells to the computer what we have to do. Okay, that is meant by the programming language. So from that programming language we are learning one programming language here, that is the Java. So we will see what is meant by the Java. So you are seeing my PPT, right?
Yes, bro.
Hello.
Yes.
Yes.
Okay.
Yeah, visible.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
So if you see here, we have a logo here. So we have a logo, right? Java, and here one is the logo, that is the copy logo we are seeing here. That have also one meaning. Okay, that copy sign or icon, we can say that, that have also one meaning. Okay, so we will see what is mean that. I will tell you the history. That time you will understand what is the meaning of this copy cycle. Okay. So firstly, we will see what is Java. First thing is that Java is a high level programming language which is based on the concept of object oriented. So what is meant by high level programming language? There are two types of languages. There is the high level programming language and the
Low,
another one is the low
low
level
level
programming.
program.
Anyone knows about high level and what is meant by high level and what is meant by low level? What is the difference between that? Anyone knows? So, okay. So high level programming language mean that will be easily understand by the programmer. Okay, and that will easy means easy for the compile or the interpret also. Okay, that will easily understand by the programmer. With the compare of the computer means computer will not understand that much instead of the means programmer. Programmers will we understand very easily this high level programming language, but computer will not easily understand this high level programming language that much easy. Okay, so this is meant by the high level programming language. If we compare the low level programming language, what is meant by that? So computer will easily understand. Okay, computer will easily understand that language, but programmer will means programmer will, for programmer it will be hard to understand. That is meant by the low level programming language. And Java is a high level programming language which is based on the concept of object oriented. That is the object oriented. Object oriented means what? We have a multiple concept inside the object oriented programming language that I showed you inside here. That is the inheritance, method overloading, classes, abstraction, encapsulation, interfaces, that have the many concepts we have inside the Java. And remember that everything inside the object oriented programming language is based on the object that is called as the object oriented programming language. Okay, this is the first one. Java is a high level programming language and which is based on the concept of oriented, is the object oriented. Okay, after that its syntax is most same like a C and the C++. If you know the C and C++, there are also many concept. Means C and C++ is also OOPS language, right? There also inheritance and the many concept like a polymorphism is also present there, right? Same like that here also inside the Java also many syntax is same inside the Java also. Okay, so that is the thing. Its syntax is most same like a C and the C++. Means if you know the C++, then means means if you know the C++, Java is also easy for us. We are writing same things, no? In C++ also same syntax and Java also same syntax. If you know the some syntax from the C++, that will be present inside the Java also, so you will be better understand inside the Java also. Okay, so after that, but in Java, we cannot do the low-level programming language like a C and C++. Inside C and C++, we will do low-level programming language, but inside the Java, we will not do that. Okay, we will not do the high level. Means we are doing only the high level programming language, not the low level programming language like a C and the C++. Okay. After that, Java is a platform. Why I am calling Java is a platform? So the thing is that Java is a platform because it has its own runtime environment, that is the JVM. This term, that is the JVM. Remember that JVM means Java Virtual Machine. Okay, JVM means Java Virtual Machine, and inside the JVM, all the things are present inside that. Inside the JVM, all the things are present like the compiler, interpreter, and the security manager. All the things present inside the JVM only. If you want to run any program on the Java, any program on the any machine, any Java program on the any machine, that must have a Java virtual machine. That it must have a so Java virtual machine. If we have JVM inside the any operating system or any laptop or any machine, Java program will work in that. Okay, so Java is a platform because it has its own runtime environment, that is the JVM. Okay, and JVM provides a platform which is accept the bytecode and execute on the machine. It will accept the bytecodes and execute on the machine. I will show you how it will work. Okay, so first thing, I will start the paint. I will show you, I will tell you inside in the very basic things. So here what it will do, first we will write the source code, right? So whatever we write, suppose we have a Eclipse like that. I will tell you what is meant by the Eclipse and all. So suppose this program, this is our Java program, right? So this program if I write here, that is known as the source code. We can call this as a source code also. Okay, this one we are writing here, that is called as the source code. Okay, so what we will write, firstly we will write the source code. We'll write the source code. So what we will do inside the JVM, there is a compiler is present. Who is from present there? That is the compiler. Compiler. What compiler will do? So compiler convert the source code into the byte code. What compiler will do? Compiler convert the source code into the byte code, and who is present here? That is the compiler. And after that compiler, what compiler, there is another thing is present, that is the interpreter. Interpreter means like a translator. Interpreter is like a translator that is convert the language. If I am English guy and another one is a Telugu guy, so in between that one guy is present, that is the translator that will translate my English into the Telugu and from Telugu to English. Like that, it here one guy is present, one thing is present, that is the interpreter. Okay, who is present here? That is the interpreter. If my spelling is wrong, please ignore that. Okay, and what it will do, it will convert byte code into the machine code. It will convert bytecode into the machine code. This like our Java will work. Okay, this like our Java will work. Simply, firstly we will write the program. That program is known as a source code that will compile our code. Who will compile our code? That is the compiler compile our code, and that source code will compile into the bytecode. And after that bytecode, this bytecode is converted into the machine code. Who will interpret that? Who will convert that? That is the interpreter. Interpreter will convert bytecode into the machine code. That like our Java program will work. That like our Java will work. Computer knows only the machine code. So what it will do? First we'll write source code, then we will compile that into the bytecode. After that, bytecode will convert into the machine code by the interpreter. That like our that's like our Java will work. Okay, so Java is a platform because it has its run on time. And inside the Java JVM, we have a compiler and the interpreter and the security management. Multiple things are present inside our JVM. Okay, so this is the thing. Java is a platform because it has its own runtime environment. That is the JVM. Okay, after that, history of Java. What is the history of Java? Firstly, who is developed the Java? That is the James Gosling and his team. And his team name is a Green Team. What is the name? What is the name of his team? That is the Green Team. And who is the father? Father of Java is means who is known for the father of Java? That is the James Gosling. James Gosling is known as the father of the Java. So James Gosling and his team developed the Java program under the company Sun Microsystem. Under the company Sun Microsystem. And I wrote here the Oracle 2010. Why I wrote this one, I will tell you after that. Okay, so James Gosling and his team made it the Java, and his team name is a Green Team, which is developed under the company that is the Sun Microsystem. Okay, and when they start, that is the inside in the 1991. Okay, inside the 1991 they started the Java. Okay, so what they first did, first they develop one project. Okay, they gather together, then they develop one project. Okay, after that they develop the project that is suitable for the embedded system. What is meant by embedded system? So embedded system means if you take the set-top box, printer, and all, they that are all present inside the embedded system. So they develop a project for that. Means for that, this project is suitable for this embedded system, like a projector, sorry, printer, or the this one, that is the printer, and the set-top box. For that, this project is suitable. After that, known that this our language or our project is a more advanced for that embedded system, that is the for set-top box and the for printer. It is more advanced. This project is more advanced for that printer and all. Okay, so what they did after that, they they convert this as a language. Okay, and they name this language as a oak language. This name this language as a oak language. After that, this oak language they gave, but some other company, that is that name is a oak technology, they already register this name. That is the oak name, they already registered the name as a oak technology. Oak name is already registered with the oak technology. So what they did, if I have a company, I give the name as a Java, and another company will develop and they also give the name Java, that will not suitable, right? So if before they gave the oak name to our projects, what they did before that, so oak technology always means before that, oak technologies also registered with that company, that is the oak technologies acquire this name, that is the oak. So what they did, they have to introduce the new name, right? they have to introduce the new name. Open name is already registered with the open technology, so they have to means they have to name the new name. So what they did, gathered together all the peoples and all, they gathered together with the our James Gosling also. James Gosling sir also gathered together, and what they did, like that, they have a company. They have a company like that. And what we have, they have a several floors, right? Inside the building they have several floors. So inside the first or second floors there is a Java. Okay, there is a Java office. And in the basement, what they have, it have the coffee shop is there. So what they did, they come together and gather inside the office. All the things, that is the James Gosling and his team, all they gather together inside the office. And everyone is suggesting the different names. Someone is suggesting Silk, someone is suggesting different names. So after that, they are means James Gosling are not liking any names. Okay, so after that, what they did, they went here for the coffee. Inside the coffee shop, they went for the coffee and they drunk coffee. Okay, they drunk the coffee. That coffee name is a Java. Okay, that coffee, they drunk the coffee, that name is a Java. From that coffee name, they gave this name, this language as a Java. So Java is what? Java is our coffee name. Java is our coffee names. If you notice that here also, if you notice the sign now, so here also it mention the copy sign. Why they are giving the mention the copy sign here? Because Java is named by the copy name. Okay, Java is a copy name. That's why they gave the name as a, is this language as a Java. Okay, and after that I released the multiple version. First they released the version inside the 1995, and they gave this name as a Java alpha beta version. They give the name version as a Java alpha beta version. After that, in 1996 they released another version, that is JDK 1.0. Okay, after that, every year or every 6 months they release the multiple versions. See, inside in 1996 they released JDK 1.0. In 1997 they released 1.1. 1998 1.2. They release multiple version. Inside in every year or every 6 months they are releasing the new version. Now also they are releasing new version, right? So first, inside the January 1996, from Oak they changed to the Java, and Java is a copy name. Okay, and after that there is multiple versions. See, first name is a JDK 1.0, JDK 1.1, J2SE, right? J2SE. After that, if you see here, Java SE, multiple names they given. If you notice that, if you many people are confusing that JDK 1.0 is different one, J2SE is different one. So nothing like that, right? All is the Java version. That is JDK is also Java version, J2SE is also Java version, Java SE is also Java version only. Okay, they release multiple versions, right? So these are the all versions of the Java they released till now. Okay, means now they are using, means latest version is I think Java 18. Okay, so this is the thing. After that, there are many uses of the Java, where day by day we are using the Java. First use is the Android application. Inside the Android, if we have Android application, in 90% Android application they are using the Java. If you take the Android application, if you use the Android mobile, there are the several applications, right? So inside that application, making that application, they are using the Java. 90% to make the 90% application of the Android, they are using the Java only. After that, financial service industries, Java web application, for making the Java web application, they are using the Java only. Software tools, okay, software tools, like if you take the example of Eclipse, also for making that also they are using the Java only. Big data technologies, nowadays there are big data. If you take the Facebook example, or the WhatsApp example, many users and many users are there, right? So they, to handle that data into big data technologies, they are using the Java only. For scientific application, they are using the Java. Why they are using the Java in the scientific application also? Because Java is a more secure. We will see how Java is secure. So Java is more secure. That's why in scientific application also they are using the Java. Inside the J2ME application also they are using the Java. After that, inside the embedded system like a set-top box and all, also they are using the Java. These are all the uses of the Java. Okay, nowadays we are using Java inside these applications. That is the Android application, financial service industries. Java web application, software tools, big data technologies, scientific application, J2ME application, and inside the embedded systems also we are using the Java. These are the all the things where we are using the Java. Okay. After that, we will see one program. Okay, so this one our program look like that. The first one, class ABC. After that we will write here the main method. Okay, now what if you take the syntax, access modifier, class name, it will first time it will look a little bit difficult, but it is very easy. Okay, we can declare the number of classes in the single program. We will see one take, we will take one example. Okay, so this one is known as the id. This one is I'm using, that is known as the id. So I will show you here. uh, Here, okay, this one is our my id, that is the Eclipse. If you show here, this one is our id. So id is means what? So if I search here, IDE full form. Okay, so id is means what? Id is an integrated development environment. What is the full form of that? That is the integrated development environment, a software application that helps programmer to develop a software code. It will help programmer to develop a software code efficiently. That is the use of the IDE. Okay, AD. And if you take the example, what is the example of the ID? That is NetBeans, Microsoft Visual Studio, Adobe Plex Builder, and Eclipse. Many ideas are present inside our inside the market. Many ideas are present. If you suitable with different ideas, you can use that. I am suitable with Eclipse, so I am using here the Eclipse. Okay, for writing the programs, we will use the Eclipse. Okay, so here what first step we have to do? First we have to click on the file, then new. Okay, file, then we have to click on new, and then project. First we have to create the project. We click on the Java project, next, and now we have to give the name. Remember that first letter of project must be a capital letter. If you give it a small letter, that is also suitable, but if you take the capital letter, that will be better. That will be a good programming. That will suggest as a good programming. So suppose I am writing here the demo I already created. What we created here, that is the March I am doing here. Sorry, April I will write here. Okay, I have created the April. After that, click on next. Okay, click on finish. Okay, after that click on finish, and your project will be created. Your project will created. See, this one is our project, that is the April. So sorry, I will show that. Okay, this one is our project look like. See, this one is our April project. Okay, ignore that one, that is demo and all. This one, ignore that one. Just now we created this one inside April. Inside the JRE system library, all libraries present, that is java.xml, java.sql, all the things present inside here. Okay, JDK and all the things they have already created and they will already installed. Okay, that is the JRE system library. After that, inside the SRC, what we have to do? If you want to create the package, just right click on that. After that, new. After that, we will create a package. After that, we will create a package. And remember that we will give the package name as in a smaller one. Small letter we will give. So I'm writing here com.demo. This time I'm giving the com.demo. Now we have created the package. And inside the package, we will create our class. Now we will create right click new, and here we will create a class. So now I'm writing here the test name as a test I have given. Okay, after that finish, click on the finish. Now you successfully created our first class. If you create it like that, you will create a successfully created our class, that is a test. And where this class is present, this class is present inside the package com.demo. Here if you see here, com.demo is our package. Okay, after that I will be closing all the things. Okay, all the things I have closed. This one, this public, you are seeing here, that is known as the access modifier. This public is known as the access modifier. This class, if you seeing here, that is a keyword. That is a class is a keyword. Keyword class is a keyword. So why we are using class? So class is a keyword. Keyword I shortly tell you that is what is meant by keyword. So every keyword have the specific task. Okay, okay, every keyword is a having the specific task. It is a specific name. Okay, it is a special type of word which having the specific task. So this is a class. So class having some task, that is the how by the name we can assume that class is used to create a class. class keyword is used to create a class, and test is our class name. Test is our what? Test is our class name. After that, here what we need to add, here we have to start the program with the curly braces. From here we will start, and here our program will close. Suppose this one is open door and this one is our closed door, like that. Open means from here our program will start. Close means here our program will end. Before that our program will end. Like that our program will work. And whatever we need to write, we have to write inside that. Okay. So every time JVM compile a code or JVM write a code from the main method, it will check the code from the main method. So what is the syntax of that? That is the public static void main. Okay, this is syntax of the main method. Don't worry about that. I'm giving only the short description. I will tell you tomorrow also. Okay, so here we have created the method, that is the public, is the access modifier, this is a keyword, this is also a keyword. Then our main method name, that is the method name. After that, this one is our parenthesis. This one is known as the parenthesis, and this one is known as the curly braces. Okay, and this one brown braces is known as the parenthesis. After that, inside here string means this one is our data type, this one is our array name, and this one is our array. After that, what we need to declare, we have to write a curly braces open and curly braces close. Means from here our method will start, and here our method will be end. Now if I want to print on the console, if you see here, here is one console is present. So whatever we want to print on the console, so how we will write? We have to write system dot out dot print ln. Write like that, and if I write here hello world, I close this one, print ln, sorry, okay. Now if I want to run this program, how we will run? So just now we have to run as an Java application. See what it is printing, that is the hello world. Hello world is printing. So what we did, firstly we created one class, that is the class. With the help of class keyword, we created the class. If I not write this one, that is the access modifier, so that will be okay. It will specify the default access modifier. Okay, if I not write anything, it will specify the default access modifier. Okay, after that we have write here the, we wrote here the one name, that is the class name as a test. After that we opened our class. From curly brace open, we open the class, and from curly braces close, we closed our class. Inside that we will write all the things. This thing is known as the statement. This all the things we are writing here, that is called as the, this one is called as the statement. Okay, so after that we created here one method, that is the main method, and inside that we write what is the syntax of that? That is the first time we are added here the access modifier. After that we wrote here the keyword. After that again keyword we wrote. After that we wrote here the method name. After that we open the method again, right? From curly braces open, we open the method, and from curly braces close, we are closing the method. And inside that I have wrote here the system.out.println. This thing, this method is used to print on the console. I will tell you tomorrow what is the use of this one, and how we will write, we are writing this one. Okay, I will tell you. So this like our program will look like, this like our Java program will look like. Okay, so if I write like that, and if I, from here also you can run, right? If I run this one, it will be run. See hello world will printing here. So this like our hello program will look like. Okay, so this is the thing. So if we write like this, so what compiler will do internally? It will compile this code. This one is known as the, this all the things is known as the source code, right? So compiler will convert this core source code into the bytecode, and after that interpreter this code convert, bytecode is converted into the machine code, right? So that is the thing. That's like our Java will work. Okay, so anyone have doubt till here? Hello, anyone have doubt till here?
No, bro.
No, no.
Okay, feel free to ask anything. Okay, if you have any doubt, I will be explaining you again. Nothing worries in that. Okay, so this is the thing. So this is, we saw today, that is the introduction of Java. What is meant by the Java, right? So what is the use of the Java? We'll see. We saw today. Today we will see the means main topic. What is inside the Java, and what are the data types? What are the keywords? Okay, and we will see how, why we are writing system.out.println. What is the system? What is the out here? What is the println, right? We will see all the things, why we are writing public here, why we are writing static, what are they. we'll see tomorrow. Okay, that is the thing for the tomorrow today, guys. If you have any doubt, please ping me. I am sharing this recorded video on the one drive link. I will provide you in the group also. Okay.
Thank you.
Okay. Okay, so that's it for the today, guys. We will meet tomorrow. Okay. Bye, guys. Thank you,
Okay.
teacher.
Bye.
Thank you, Tanmay.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Okay, thank you.
Yeah, thank you, Tanmay.
Okay.